I am using cotton fabric. This is the pattern. The fabric is double and I lay out the pattern. Seam allowance is included. If you have monocolored fabric, you can turn the pattern upside down so you can save fabric. If you have a fabric like this, you might want to see so you get the pattern in the flag. I also cut a strap which is 6 centimeters wide and 110 centimeters long. The fabrics are now right sides together and I pin these edges. The top of the flag is going to be open. I sew with a straight stitch and I sew with the edge of the presser foot to the edge of the fabric. When you come to the corner, you turn by leaving the needle in and then you lift the presser foot and you can turn. Backstitch at the start and end. Trim away any excess seam allowance. Turn the right sides out, and with the help of a needle you can turn the tip out. Press your flags so they look neat and tidy. Press your strap in the center so you have the right sides out. And then you press in your sides towards the center so you get a ribbon. Leave a couple of centimeters on the side so you can hang your banner later, and then you just put your flags inside of your ribbon, pin it, and then you can sew with a straight stitch close to the edge. The short sides on the edges you can turn in so you don't see any raw edges. Sew with a straight stitch close to the edge, and then your banner is finished.